Here we have the Ditch Witch FX20, which, like I said earlier, is a vacuum trailer. Basically, the way that it works is we have this suction hose right here, and then we also have a pressure washer where we eat the ground up with it and make a slurry, and then we suck the dirt out from around whatever comes in. So here again, the Ditch Witch. We're going to go ahead and fire it up here in a minute, and we'll show you how time consuming it is. Alrighty, as you saw in the video, we exposed the roots and all the way around the tree. Now we can easily cut those roots out of the way, unlike before where you had to dig and the shovel would stop a root. You'd have to expose the root, you'd have to cut the root out of the way, you'd have another one right up underneath of it. So as you can see, it didn't take any time at all to expose the roots. Once the roots are exposed, it comes right out. Like I said, it does save a tremendous amount of time, and in any plumbing repair, it's not really the repair that costs the money, it's getting to the repair that costs the money. With this piece of equipment, we're able to reduce our labor rate or our labor to expose the leak so that the leak can be exposed and repaired. Anyways, just one of the things that we're trying to do here at Olin Plumbing to save our customers money and give them a quality job and not try to tear their property up or destroy their property. Anyway, thank you very much.